So hey y'all, Camille coming to you back with another video. It's early in the morning. I'm about to get started on my day. I haven't really showed you guys how I start off my vlogs throughout the start of my day to the end of my day. So I'm going to try to do that today. We'll see if it actually works. But yeah, so getting ready to start my day. Xavier just took Saint outside. Now he's ready to eat, so we'll feed him in a second. And I start saying eat, his tail wagging from side to side. Getting ready to turn on my tree. Turn on my tree. Still haven't got any bugs for this tree yet, y'all. No more. Turn it on. I'm gonna go in. I need to brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. What do you want?
Your clothes going down here.
Alright, so just wash my face and brush my teeth. Saint, you ready to eat? Wait. What's that? Come on, let's eat. He's just waiting patiently. His food is already in the bowl. He's just waiting for one magic word. Say, go eat. That's what he was waiting on. Go eat. Alright y'all, so I'm about to get ready to make me something to eat. I just want to show y'all what my in-laws, my second parents came and brought me over yesterday. So, they brought me some flowers. They brought me some flowers yesterday. They came and visited, which is rare. They never visit. And they also brought me some fruit. Some fruit. But they brought some other snacks and I took them out yesterday. Put some of them in the fridge. So they brought me some fruit because somebody want to tell them that I haven't been eating. Which, that ain't the case, y'all. Y'all know I've been eating. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to eat. Do I want like breakfast, or do I want cereal? I just had some applesauce just to coat my stomach, because if not, if I don't eat as soon as I get up in the morning, it's not gonna be pretty. So yeah, I'm about to figure this out, figure out what I'm about to make.
What you don't know is I used to be the flower guy back in my Kroger days.
Team takeover just came in. I can't even put my own flowers in a vase.
She be fucking up and cutting herself.
You a damn lie.
Falling asleep and shit with scissors in her hand. I can't.
You a lie.
Leave her by herself.
Just put my flowers in there, and you don't look like you know what you doing.
You know, I used to cut flowers back in the day. I used to work at Kroger.
Did you?
Yeah. And all the hoes east of the Mississippi used to come far and wide to get flowers from there.
Yeah, right. Okay, you ain't gonna fluff them out or nothing?
I gotta put the food in here. And I was just supposed to be doing the cutting. See,
no,
what I'm talking
you
about.
said
You don't want to do no work. That's what probably with you young whippersnappers these days.
Whippersnapper.
Whippersnapper. That's how they eat right there.
Kroger will fire you right now. That's this how you did their flowers.
That's how they eat right there. I like to put it in there all together.
That's too much.
At the bottom. Too much. You can't take that days at a time. You're only gonna do this one time. It's gonna die in about 2-3 days.
Anyway, so they brought me these over.
If my parents watching this next time, they should have got some roses.
Don't tell them. Be picky. Tell them what they got. They got these.
I like orchids. What's the little purple
Yeah,
ones that stand
orchids, but
on the
those
table?
die so easily. And it's usually like a plant, and you're not gonna get like
The ones from Sam Club, the purple one.
yeah. But yeah, these my little flowers.
They got a bloom. I mean bud.
Yep. Stop it. Go back in your little cage. Oh, we're going to the shit cage. So yeah, got my flowers. It's so nice. Pretty. Yes, I am leaving home right now because I don't have what I need. So, off to the store we go. Alright y'all, so I am done cooking. I had to run out and get some grits. I don't know, I was craving grits, so I had to get some grits, but this is what I had. So this is what I made. I got my cranberry grape juice right there. Got my toast. I got bacon underneath there, grits, and eggs with cheese. So that's what I'm about to be eating, y'all. Something light, something light. So something about grits and eggs that's so good, you know. I'm eating like a savage. I gotta go. Look who's right here as always while I'm eating. It never fails. Same. What do you want? You're not getting none. Eating yet again. We got some Domino's. This is some of my favorite pizza. We got the pan style pizza with spinach, extra sauce, cheese, onion, and bacon and pepperoni. My mouth is watering just talking about it. Oh, I'm hungry. And then we got some of the Parmesan garlic twist with some marinara sauce. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. Y'all, that pretty much concludes the day. I know it wasn't a lot going on, but that was a vlog. That was the Camille vlog. I just got finished editing a video. And yeah, that was my day. I slept for about 2-3 hours, and that's all I did. So I will see you guys tomorrow on another video. Peace.